In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen photos in Darktable. Sharpening is all about enhancing the contrast along edges to make details appear clearer and more defined. It doesn't invent new detail, it simply makes what's already there look crisper. We'll keep things simple and effective so you can confidently sharpen without introducing artifacts. Start in the darkroom view and open the Sharpen module. This is the tool we'll use, and it works using a classic unsharp mask approach. That means it boosts local contrast around edges, which can make textures pop and lines look more precise. Inside the Sharpen module, you'll see three primary controls: amount, radius, and threshold. Let's walk through each, because understanding what they do will help you dial in clean, natural results. Amount controls how strong the sharpening effect is. Think of it as intensity. Begin low and increase gradually. If you push amount too far, you'll start to see halos, bright or dark outlines that appear along edges, especially around high-contrast transitions like tree branches against the sky or text on signs. A moderate amount usually looks more realistic than an aggressive one. Radius sets how wide the edge contrast spreads. A small radius emphasizes fine, delicate detail, which is great for intricate textures like hair, foliage, or fabric weave. A larger radius affects broader transitions, making big shapes and edges stand out more. If the image starts to look crunchy or plastic, your radius may be too large for the subject. Fine detail typically benefits from a tighter radius, while more graphic scenes can handle a bit more width. Threshold tells the module what to ignore. It prevents tiny, low-contrast variations, like sensor noise or subtle gradients, from being sharpened. Raising the threshold reduces sharpening in very smooth areas, which helps keep skin, skies, and shadow gradients clean. If your image is noisy or shot at a high ISO, a slightly higher threshold can keep the sharpening focused on real edges rather than amplifying speckle. For accurate judging, zoom to 100%. This view shows one image pixel per screen pixel, so what you see reflects the actual sharpening effect. Pan around important areas like eyes, textures, and high-contrast edges. If you're unsure, back off the amount a touch or reduce the radius until halos and grit disappear while detail remains crisp. That's it. Open the Sharpen module, adjust amount, radius, and threshold thoughtfully, and evaluate at 100%. With a light touch and careful observation, you'll get clean, natural sharpening that complements your photo rather than overpowering it.